Windset Farms started in 1996 as a small greenhouse in Abbotsford, 4 acres. And then in 1998, this greenhouse to our right here was built, 15 acres. We've expanded in the lower mainland into California and Mexico with over 900 acres of production in those crops. And we offer product year-round to our consumers.
Our mission at Windset Farms is to provide safe, quality, flavorful produce to customers all around North America.
The best quality, the best taste, and the best experience for our consumers every day of the year. They can come back and they can have it in July, or they can have it in December and have the same experience wherever they buy that product year in, year out.
Some of our focuses on the day-to-day aspect of the business are picking, packing, and shipping. Each of those is an integral part of our day-to-day offerings in ensuring that we provide a quality, flavorful product to our customers.
Food safety is crucial at Windset. That's our #1 goal. And we've always had a very strong program around that.
And they all apply to each growing area, whether that be in Canada, the United States, and Mexico. That also applies to every level of the greenhouse, from the shippers to the pickers to the people packing the produce on the line. There were a number of different areas within our food safety protocols already had us ahead of the game in terms of being able to tackle COVID-19, while at the same time still ensuring we're bringing a quality, food-safe product to families around North America.
You know, that is a crucial part to how we get our food to our consumers, is making sure that we do everything possible to have our employees safe and our food safe.
We have a lot being cooked up at Windset Farms. With more and more families eating in, tune into our website where we have Executive Chef Trevor Bird from Vancouver posting over 100 different recipes and applications that you can try at home, and his cooking demos at this year's Fresh Summit Marketplace.
Our snacking line is fantastic. We have with our grape tomatoes, our medley tomatoes, our new baby cucumbers, everything from our mini peppers, shishito peppers, everything we grow is for the consumer with high flavor and just a fantastic eating experience.